How to add PDF file in WordPress site. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your WordPress, and on the left hand side panel you should be able to find the posts option, and over here you can add the PDF file on a particular post, or you can also create a new post and add the PDF file over there. So in this video, let's see how we can do it if there is a new post. So let's click on this option of add a new post, and in case if you already have a post, then it's completely fine. Just simply open that particular post up, and over there just select any place where you want to add the PDF file. Suppose I want to add the PDF file over here, so I will select over here and click on this option of plus, and then search for file and select this one, and this is how it will appear. Now you can just simply upload any file over here, your PDF, or you can go with the media library and select the documents and upload them, and this way you would be able to select that particular PDF over here. In case if you want to make this particular PDF behind a pay wall, then you can click on here and select the option of paid content and let it load, and this is how it will appear. Now the person would require to connect or subscribe to this particular content, only then that particular person will be able to download it. Otherwise, just simply get it on file and upload the PDF, and this is how you should be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.